Tired of rummaging through your refrigerator to find the last egg hiding behind the milk carton? Say goodbye to egg carton clutter and hello to the organization with the YouCopia RollDown egg dispenser. This innovative egg organizer is designed to simplify your daily routine and keep your fridge looking tidy. Let's explore why the RollDown egg dispenser is a game changer for your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the YouCopia RollDown egg dispenser into your kitchen. Universal size, universal convenience. The RollDown egg dispenser is designed to accommodate 12 to 14 standard, large, or jumbo eggs, making it suitable for households of all sizes. No more guessing games or awkwardly fitting egg cartons into your fridge. This dispenser provides a universal solution for storing and accessing your eggs with ease. Effortless egg access. With its gravity-fed design, the RollDown egg dispenser ensures that eggs are dispensed one at a time with a gentle rolling motion. Simply remove an egg from the front and watch as the rest roll forward on the track, ready for use. Say goodbye to fumbling with egg cartons and hello to effortless egg access every time. Space-saving design. The two-tier organizer features a slim footprint that maximizes fridge space, allowing you to free up valuable shelf real estate. Ditch the bulky egg carton and enjoy a clutter-free refrigerator with the RollDown egg dispenser. Its sleek design not only saves space, but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. Quick and easy setup. Setting up the RollDown egg dispenser is a breeze, no assembly required. Simply load your eggs into the dispenser and they're ready to roll. The dispenser stays securely in place thanks to its non-slip feet, ensuring stability and peace of mind. Enjoy the convenience of organized egg storage in seconds. Built to last, easy to clean, constructed from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, the RollDown egg dispenser is built to withstand daily use and is easy to clean. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while its smooth surface makes cleanup a breeze. Experience the convenience of a clutter-free fridge with the RollDown egg dispenser. In conclusion, the YouCopia RollDown egg dispenser is a must-have for any kitchen. Say goodbye to egg carton clutter and hello to organized, space-saving storage. With its universal size, effortless egg access, space-saving design, quick setup, and durable construction, the RollDown egg dispenser is the perfect solution for streamlining your kitchen storage. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.